back to another cooking video with Bake It Till You Make It with Mason and Waring.
I'm running all over the place, blue in the face, looking like Sonic!
Got up on stage around 9 and the next day they called it iconic. In between that I was off for some time, vodka and lime and a pack of the chronic. Bring that to a beat, shit is bubonic.
Welcome to Cooking with Mason, and today we're going to be cooking chicken and eggs. First step, defrost the meat. The chicken is now defrosted and ready for seasoning. Now that the chicken is all seasoned, it is time for the stove. First step, spray it on the pan. Pretty good. Next up, toss on the butter, get the stove on. Now that the butter is melted, it's time to throw on the chicken. The chicken has been tossed on. The chicken is now cooked and cut up. Now, time for the eggs. Now, we're gonna take 4 eggs and make them scrambled. Now that we have 4 eggs, it's time to mix. Now that we have tossed the eggs on, they're about ready, but they still need a little bit more pizzazz. I'll get back to you when I'm done. Now the eggs have been seasoned, we're ready to eat. This is the final meal. It's giving everything it needs to give. It's giving everything it needs to give. Overall, meal was great. On to Waring.
He's in your bed, I'm in your Twitch chat. I've got the key and he's just a doormat. And even though he's got social skills, that doesn't mean I can't pay the bill.
We are young. There's a fire in our soul. We go big or go home together. We are young. That's right. We're black and we're white, but we all will be tonight forever. 'Cause we will never die. No one I know will ever die.
For the night we pop out at 1 in the morning. You really wanna know this kind of life, never boring. She bought Dior with a man from the store, but she bring it to my table when the drinks start pouring.
Nothing. Can you sing Reese Young and No More Parties? I got you. I need no more parties. You don't need no more molly, yeah.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa, whoa. It's on tight cause I'm tweaking it.
Oh yeah, AD.
I want you to be mine again, baby.
It's Denny Club, it's 30 Club Mag. I'll tweak you with my channel, make me crash.
I'll be Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
What about Widowmaker?
I'm already Widowmaker.
I'll be Bastion.
Nerf Bastion.
Welcome to McDonald's, what you order, bro?
Can I get an Oreo McFlurry, yeah?
We're not serving ice cream right now. It's broken at the moment, can I get you something, yeah?
Totino's, hot pizza rolls. Totino's, everybody's talking about.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
Sticking out your yacht for the Rizzler. You're so skibbity. You're so Phantom Tax.
Fortnite card. Who wants it?
Eating a burger with no honey mustard. Eating a burger with no honey mustard.
Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic family.
Pick it up. Back a nigga cheese. Back a nigga cheese. Back a nigga cheese. Back a nigga cheese. Back a nigga cheese.
That goes crazy.